Christmas greetings to every Kenyan in this moment of Christmas. Every Kenyan, every Christian to all the corners of our country. Have a blessed and very, very meaningful Christmas. Christmas is a time for love. And in this year, 2024, we start the holy year 2024-25, which is a year of graces, the year of hope. And this message to all Kenyans is a message of hope, that the hope, God's hope, never deceives. When the child is born, we are all invited to open heart to He who is our way, our truth, and our life. Jesus comes very humbly, like a child, on a throne that is a manger, to remind us that we must be humble. God humiliates Himself, humbles Himself, in order that He can save us. For all our leaders to learn that we need to come down, to think of those who are down there, so that indeed, following the example of Jesus Christ, we can raise them up. That's an example for me as a religious leader, for a father in a family, and also for all leaders in corporates or even in our government. Humility, so that we can embrace truth, so that we can embrace those who do not have strength. In this holy year, we pray that the hope that does not deceive of God, the word, may resonate in the hearts of every single one of us, Christians and those who are not. But above all, may it resonate in our nation that badly needs truth, badly needs love, and badly needs care for those who are marginalized and living in miserable situations. Let us get together to do good and stop competing to do evil. May Christ bring the light of greatness, the light of joy, and the light of hope that does not deceive, the light where we care for one another and love one another. Merry Christmas. The child Jesus waits for you to open the heart wherever you are. Great in the country because you have positions, or just an ordinary person in the remote parts of this country, you have a role to play, because God expects you to be a hand that cares to your neighbor, a hand that uplifts and loves. That's what Christmas is. May God find space in us this Christmas.